And this is Fatma. Now, we are going to be continuing with a new sound today. But before we do that, let's recap the previous sound learnt. S sound for snake, or sand, or nest, or spots. And I also hope you had the chance to go around your house or your garden to find objects that had the S sound. Say it with me. S. Very well done. Now, today we are going to focus with a new sound. I wonder what sound this makes. Shall we have a look at our Fingers Phonics Big Book to help us? Now we have a story. The family are having a picnic. They sit down and spread out their lunch. They start eating. The little girl feels a tickle on her arm. She looks down and says, "Ah, ah, ah, ants." Oh, the new sound, ah, must make the ah sound. Try it with me. Get your fingers and wiggle it above your elbow and say the sound, ah, ah, ah. Let's do it one more time. Ah, ah, ah. For ants. Say the word ants. Ah, ah, ants. Our new sound can also be in apple. Ah for apple. Or man. Man. Or jam. Or hat. Now let's do the sound one more time with the actions. Get your wiggle your fingers ready, and let's say ah, ah, ah for ants. Now again, have a look around your house or your garden and see if you can find new words that have the ah sound. Now have fun.